You gotta be real. You need to come to see me. Coming in today with some cleaning supplies, y'all. Okay, so of course you guys know right now I am fascinated with TikTok Shop. And girl, I didn't bought something else. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but TikTok Shop has a lot of deals, and I'm one of those shoppers who love to catch the deals, who they do a countdown on it, and they be like, five more minutes until, you know, I don't know, it's something about it that just get me riled up or whatever. So I like doing it when it's on live. And I caught this deal on this scrubber. Now, it's a big craze about the scrubbers going around or whatever. So I always want to buy one, but I don't pay that much. I'm like, I'm not doing it because I already know myself. Once I get the clean and everything like that, and the fun or the glory of it gets old, girl, that thing going somewhere, not in the trash, but you know, till I need it again. But at any rate, before we move on, you new here, ain't you? Yeah. You knew. Yeah, well, thank you so much for dropping by. I am JR, Black China Doll, aka, and I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for subscribing. Won't you share and like and send a couple of friends my way? But girl, thank you for coming. But at any rate, let me show you what I got. Okay, I done already opened it up. I ain't put it together. We're going to do that together. But I done already opened this. I done bust it open already. Okay. So this, I don't know if y'all can see. This is what I got. And it is a scrubber. It's a scrubber. And here's the scrubber here. And it is an 8-in-1. And you say, what is an 8-in-1? Okay, so what it is, it has 8 different attachments on this one scrubber. And you can choose which ones you want to use whenever you want to use it. Okay, so I had it on the side and something fell, so I had to go get it. Okay, so this is the scrubber on all of its attachments right here. Okay, so we are going to put the thing together and see if it works. All right, so first initially they send you the instructions. Okay, my guy friend, or my lover, or my boo-boo, he calls it destructions. But anyway, this is the instructions. It gives you how to put it together. It gives you all of the things that you need. Okay, and also the QR code for you to register it for your warranty. Okay, they also send you a thank you card, so I have opened already, and again another QR code for you to register it for your warranty. Okay, so here is the initial component that does all the work. Okay, now I've already charged it up. Didn't take long to charge, so that was good. Okay, then it comes with this button here that will make the head like bend at 90 degrees. So you press it and you can bend it, you know, so you can get in like that, or you can keep it straight. Okay, also this is the power indicator to let you know how much power you have left, and this is the on and off button. Okay, now I said I didn't want to put it together until we did it together. All right, so here is another piece that goes here. Okay. Okay, so this piece where the circle goes where this clip is. So you put it on. Girl, I hope I'm doing this right. Hold on. Okay. There you go. Okay, so it's coming along there. Now, all I did was, I'm not very strong or whatever, so all I did was just put it right there and like bang it on the ground and make it push down. That's all I did. Okay. Then, here's another one. Same thing. You have the hole, and then you have the indicator. Now this one just going real easy. Okay. So then it becomes really long. Okay guys, I wanted to give you guys a view of it this way. Okay, so this is how big it is. Okay, and this little hook right here is for if you want to hang it up. Once you put it together, you can hang it up on something so that you don't have to keep reassembling it. Okay, so here is this is the part where, this is where all the business happen right here. And this is where you put all of the heads, the different kind of heads, okay? Okay, here is a picture of all the different type of brushes you have. You have the dome, you have the large flat brush, you have a small flat brush, you have the pointed brush, you have a wood-like brush, wool-like brush, I'm reading upside down. You have a cloth brush, fiber brush, spun brush, okay, and then it comes with the little hook I showed you, a charger, and a hand cover, and the joint, the handle joint, okay? So that's what all comes there. The way they're made in the inside is to fit right on top of there. So fits right on top of there, and you can turn it on. Hold the power button. You hold the power button, and here it is. The power, it tells you I have 100% power. Okay, and then here are the different modes. Okay, that's the first mode, and that's the highest mode. Okay, so now we ready to clean. Let's go. Instead of the bathtub, we're gonna do it on the kitchen sink. Okay, let's look at the kitchen sink. Okay, we got a different one. Let's try it now. Okay, you gotta be careful because it'll get away from you. Okay, my conclusion is I'm gonna clean up a lot. This thing is very strong. It has a lot of girth, not like power to it. So definitely a very good brush. I don't know if you've been on TikTok Shop yet, but I think this brush here, okay, so this is the company that I have, Saraily. Saraily 8-in-1 spin brush. Oh, excuse me. That is Saraily 8-in-1 spin brush. Let me just tell you, this thing is powerful. If you ain't got one yet, you better get one. It is a nice design, easy to put together, and it's powerful. All right, guys. I give it a 10 out of 10. Must recommend. Better get you one of these brushes. Girl, I'm about to clean up everything that ain't tied down. I'm about to get to it. Ooh, I can use this for my refrigerator. Ooh, I can use this for the grout. Ooh, I can use this for the oven. Oh my God, I'm about to get busy. Ooh. Remember, be safe out there in these streets. Be kind to one another, and you better get cleaning. Ooh, I can't wait. Okay, the bathroom is free now. So I still want to try it in the bathroom. Okay, you know how you have these little parts in the bathroom right there. See that? Them little scummy areas. It's kind of hard to get them. Like that area right there. It's kind of hard to get them. So we are going to use the spin brush to do it. So I'm going to put a little of this on there. I'm in love. I want to just try it on the shower because there's a little bit more harder dirt here. Like, you know, from like years of built up scum dirt. But, baby, she's a winner.